guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today I wanted to share a restock. I wanted to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. And I want to take a moment to say how grateful I am for each of you. Your creativity and encouragement and support truly make this community so special. Because of you, I'm inspired every day to bring you products that spark joy in your crafting. And with that, I'm thrilled to remind you to save the date for our Black Friday event. Don't miss out on our mystery bags and curated bundles, perfect for treating yourself or sharing with a crafty friend. I'm going to share some of the curated bundles from our design team that they put together especially for you. Special for Black Friday, we're going to have those at 35% off. I'll have mystery bags worth over $90 for $50. The mystery bags will have over $90 worth of product for $50. And this all goes live on Friday, Black Friday. We have a specially curated bundle from Julie Tillman. Her bundle is called Julie's Curated Farmhouse and Butterfly Bundle. It's gorgeous. She picked out some beautiful items. And we have it all bundled up for 35% off. These make beautiful gifts, or you can treat yourself. Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, her bundle is called Teresa's Cozy Pastel Christmas Collection. And I love what she picked out. And you'll see a project from her on her channel as well. Here's a couple of cards that I made using some of the products that are in this bundle. So it makes beautiful holiday cards. We've got a bundle curated from Lynn, her favorite picks. And we've got fun stamps in here. You know Lynn loves pandas, so there is a donut stamp in here with the panda face. We've got a coffee stamp because you know Lynn loves coffee. And we've got tea, the honey and tea paper and ephemera pack, and she made a really cute card using her bundle, so you'll be able to see that on her channel. And I've created a bundle, so this one's called Jamie's Serene Escape Bundle, and I have one of my favorite stamp sets in here. I'll show you the card that I created using my bundle. So this is very, very cute. I thought it turned out really cute, so you'll see the process video later on Friday. I'll have another video up on Friday reminding you about the sale. And I wanted to show you a restock on some papers that came into the shop. So we have the Gingerbread Visions back in stock, and these are the cards that I had created using this paper pad. They are so much fun. I believe this was a sheet load of cards sketch. I'm guessing it was because it's all the same sketch. Cafe Latte is back in stock, now available on its own. It was part of the Cafe Latte Art Bundle. Sweet Gingerbread is back in stock. This is super cute. Those gingies are so adorable. Peppermint Latte is back in stock. I love this paper pad. Here are two cards using this cute paper pad. And this stamp set here is available in Lynn's bundle. So that's the Snow Sweet stamp set. You'll see that in Lynn's bundle. We have Me Plus You back in stock, and these are two cards that I created using this paper pad. So there are some cutouts in here that you can cut out and use them on the front of your card. There's some cute little gnomes in there. I know a lot of you have been waiting for the Shabby Christmas paper pad. So this is back in stock. It does have coordinating ephemera. Makes some really cute cards. We're also having some really hot deals on Black Friday. So we have the paper pad shoes with a coordinating die. That will be one of your hot deals. So these are the cards that I created using that paper pad. There's cutouts on the inside, so you can cut them out and create some super, super cute cards. Another hot deal is going to be our Sparkle and Shine I Want It All bundle, and these are the gorgeous cards that I created using that bundle. It's all about pet grooming, super fun. There's ephemera and paper that match, a stencil, a stamp set that you can color up. It's so much fun. Perfect for giving little thank you cards to your dog groomer or giving cards to a pet lover. So I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving, everyone, and I will see you on Friday with a new video. Take care, guys. Bye, everyone.